Today I'll unbox two special commemorative coins. They've just arrived. Let's see what we got here inside. These €2 commemorative coins. Let's see together what we got here. So as you can see, €2 coins in uncirculated condition. The one is from Finland and the other one is from Italy. Both of them are very special because of the low mintage number. This one from Italy, they have minted only 3 million copies, and for this one they have minted only 394,500. I'll make a better video in the next days with more details, so if you want to see this one and have more details, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button. See you on my next video.